Today we're going to do an unboxing and review on how to use the Pittsburgh 3-ton floor jack low profile. This one has the extended handle and Alright, with the low profile, it fits under a 3 1/8 inch car, and it also goes up to 19 5/8 right there, 19 5/8, so it goes pretty high. So it's great for SUVs, and it's also good for like little 2-door or 4-door cars that are small, like little hatchback, stuff like that. Alright, here's the top of the box. It's got the 2 poles encased with styrofoam. The 2 poles join together with a little locking nut. Locks in there for easy use. Styrofoam top comes out. Manual. The base itself weighs about 25 to 30 pounds. It's pretty hefty. The components come pre-greased, as you see right there. You insert the pole into this end, and then you tighten down the nut to make sure that it's nice and tight. There is a locking bar that is installed here. Make sure you pull that out before you start trying to pump it. Okay, to use it, you have to turn the handle clockwise until it stops completely, and then you can pump it and it goes up. If you want to release it, you turn the handle counterclockwise and it goes down.